Your living room is about to become the most powerful room in your house, and it's not because of a new TV. It's because of a small, silent black box that Apple has been quietly perfecting for over a decade. Most people think the Apple TV 4K is just a way to watch Netflix without using a laggy smart TV interface. They are dead wrong. Right now, inside the secret testing labs at Apple Park, a transition is happening. A transition that turns a streaming box into a high-end gaming console, a professional communications hub, and a localized artificial intelligence brain. I'm talking about the 2026 Apple TV 4K. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaks aren't just coming from the supply chain anymore. They are coming from the code itself. We are seeing evidence of a machine that bridges the gap between your iPhone and your MacBook, creating a living room OS that we've only seen in science fiction. If you're planning on buying a PlayStation 5 Pro or a high-end streaming PC this year, stop. Just wait. Because by the end of this video, you're going to realize that the Apple TV 4K is no longer a luxury accessory. It's becoming the center of the digital universe. Why now? Why is 2026 the year everything changes? Because for the first time, Apple is putting their flagship Pro silicon into a device that costs less than $200. We are moving from the aging A15 chip to the A17 Pro and even whispers of the A18. This isn't just a minor speed bump. This is a leap into the world of hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This means the Apple TV 4K can finally play the exact same games as a top-of-the-line console. We are talking about Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed running natively on your TV with a device that fits in the palm of your hand. No discs, no loud fans, no massive towers. Just pure, unadulterated power. But power is nothing without intelligence. The real story of the 2026 Apple TV is Apple Intelligence. For years, Siri on the TV has been, let's be honest, frustrating. You ask for a movie, and it gives you a YouTube clip. You ask to turn off the lights, and it says, I'm sorry, I can't do that. That era is dead. With 8 GB of dedicated RAM and the new neural engine, Siri is becoming a conversational partner. Imagine saying, hey Siri, find me that movie where the guy goes to space, but it's actually a metaphor for fatherhood, and having it instantly pull up Interstellar across any streaming service you own. It's not just searching, it's understanding. It's context-aware. It knows who is sitting on the couch based on the Apple Watch on your wrist or the iPhone in your pocket, and it tailors the entire experience to you. Let's talk about the hardware design, because the leaks suggest something radical. While the outer shell might remain a sleek black puck, the internal networking has been completely gutted and replaced with the N1 chip. This is Apple's first proprietary networking silicon. It brings Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0 to the living room. Why does that matter? Zero latency. If you've ever tried to use AirPlay and experienced that annoying half-second lag, or if your Bluetooth headphones cut out when you go to the kitchen, those problems are gone. This is the foundation for the ultra-wideband home. Your Apple TV will act as a radar for your entire house. It will know exactly which room you are in, adjust the audio levels